Condolence to the Kuwait Kingdom, and may all the people of Kuwait live thoroughly and peacefully soon. Kuwait, alright.
Kususangpu.
कस्तो छ कस्तो छ ठीक छ राम्रो छ
Apa kabar mas?
Hai, alhamdulillah baik.
Malaso.
Assalamualaikum abad.
Ay, wapanalo. Dito tayo sa city. Patay ang hari ng Kuwait. Amir Sheikh Nawaf. I-cover natin to kasi one of the history to soon, ano, mga kamanay. Dito tayo ngayon sa city. Break muna ng Chai Halip at saka ng samosa. The most famous foods of India. And as you have seen dito sa tawag dito sa advertisement yan, si Sheikh Nawaf Al Sabah. Yan. Or dito maybe much nearer. Yan. May greeting siya, condolence from the Ooredoo Network Company. Ooredoo Network Company is the mobile network company dito sa Kuwait. Sorry. Zain pala to. Bullshit. Sorry. Ayan, Zain. From Zain. Yun si Sheikh. Yan. Madbilis lang ang kanyang ang kanyang rehimen, ang kanyang pagiging hari. Mabilis lang kasi nung nakaraang 2020, September 2020 ay namatay si Sheikh Jaber Al Sabah. And after that, nag-take cover nga si Sheikh Nawaf, and he take the throne as the crown prince during ng time na yon. So from lang siya 2020 to 2023, less than 3 years na ang kanyang pamumuno, mga kapanoy. And during that time he was 83 years old, because now he's already 86. So naging 3 years less than ang kanyang pamumuno. Siguro sa estima ko sa buong kaharian ng Kuwait, siya yung nasa record na the most pinaka short term na king na nag-throne. Yan. So condolence to the Kuwait Kingdom, and may all the people of Kuwait live thoroughly and peacefully soon. Kuwait, alright. Manoy abroad, December 19, 2023 in Kuwait, during the death of King Nawaf Al Sabah. Alright. Hindi masyado makita pala lahat. Closer look natin, mga kamatay, para makita yung mukha ni Sheikh Nawaf. Yan. Dinodocument ko lang kasi I don't know, baby soon wala na tayo sa Kuwait, maging remembers man lang natin. Alright. I-closer natin. Closer. Ano ba yan? Ay, yan. Alright. Bigyan ko lang picture, mga kamanoy, para makita nyo ang totoong mukha ni Sheikh Nawaf. Siya medyo may pagka itim siya, yung negro ba.